How to cancel your Shein order. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, what you have to do is just go to the Chrome browser. You can also directly go through the app. I'm going to go and search for Shein application over the website. And here's the official website over here. So first of all, what you have to understand is it's a very distinctive thing here that if you've ordered something the seller has not seen, it has not been packaged or has not even taken a step to pack your order and process it in that case, the order is very easily cancelable. But if the seller has already packaged it and they have already shipped to the warehouse, and the only thing left is simply it being delivered to you, in that case, the order is not cancelable. Well, it is still cancelable, but it is the lending process. You have to contact the customer care of the Shein and to customer care directly in order to get help with this so that you can cancel the orders. So it depends upon what stays the order actually is not. If you're lucky, you can still cancel them by opening the Shein app and you can just go to the me option, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then you'll find the option of my orders over here. So just tap on view all, and here you'll be able to find it over here. So here you can see once you tap on view all button, you will be able to see all the orders that you have made on the Shein app. And if you look for a specific order you want to cancel before they are processed, then you'll be able to cancel them. In case you're not able to cancel them, then you have to just contact the customer care by just tapping the headphone icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and then you'll be able to cancel and contact the customer service and customer care. So just let them know about the issue and then they should be able to help you with that. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.